Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can integrate the AI with your Angular app, and let's jump in. So first what you need the Firebase account and go to the AI logic here, then get started. Here we choose this one. This is for paying and I don't like this, so we go for this. It's just free for testing. Enable API. So once you're done with adding the AI integration and allowing the AI API in for the Firebase, we go into explanation. So basically what I have here, it's a basic dummy project integrated with the Firebase, and I implemented already the chat UI here so we can communicate with him. So hello. But for the moment, AI is not integrated. That means I didn't implement it, but we will do it in a few steps. So I will copy this just to show you where this is. So we search for it, and that's it. Here we will contact, this is a AI response. So we will contact here, send the message to AI with the service. So let's go in the creation of the services, new file, AI chat service tier export AI chat service, and we do like import private read-only AI equal get AI Firebase. We need to import all of this. No, all imports, or add all imports. Main thing is here that you have your Firebase app integrated. So this is a integration of the Firebase app, and you need to have like Firebase integration in order to use this. And we're done. We just now create a send message. So we do like const model. This is from configuration, and this is how the documentation of the Firebase set that we need to do. And yeah, we pick up the results here, and if result is correct, we do the, if results are correct, we do the handle response and return it. If it's not okay, we return it's not available at the moment. So we go to our AI chat overlay, and here we import in the constructor the private AI chat service, import it, and we go at the bottom here and we handle that. And boom. Now when we open the prompt and say, hello, can you calculate how much is 3 plus 3 minus 0? Let's calculate that. And if we go to the network and check the Gemini here, and you see the response inside the text here, like let's calculate, etc, etc. So it's really easy. So guys, if you find this helpful, please leave a subscribe and support me. Bye bye.